Good morning, guys. Welcome back. We're to the channel. In today's video, the truck is probably done by this point, but there's a few things also I wanted to go ahead and do. So obviously we have decharged the AC system, obviously, but while we have that done, I wanted to go ahead and replace a few things. So in here we have a bunch of different stuff, but we have a new AC compressor and we have a new dryer. So let me go ahead, grab there should be one over here. There's a razor blade. I'm gonna grab a razor blade. We'll get this guy opened up and we'll go ahead and get that installed on the truck. And then we have a brand new compressor here. I need to get a new orifice tube, so we'll get one of those. And then over there on the shelf, I have a brand new condenser that we're also going to throw on the truck. So we're going to do this kind of, well, I guess 1 week at a time. We'll get this guy installed as we're going in the truck with the motor. And the reason for that being is, if you look on the motor, the crankshaft position sensor is right there. The wiring for that runs between the compressor and the block. So that's a good time. But I'm gonna go ahead and we'll get our dryer, accumulator, whatever you want to call the thing. We'll go ahead and get it out of here. Get our new one in. Have to get our new sensors in. Well, new sensor. It's just a cap. But we'll get that stuff in. And like I said, our AC system will be completely rebuilt. And maybe, just maybe, if we're lucky, we'll have AC in this thing again. Because before this, it only worked part-time, like most of the people here in Arkansas. And I would rather it work full-time, you know, because that is kind of nice. But like I said, I'm gonna get this guy opened up here, go ahead and get it replaced. As you can see, this has been sitting on the shelf over there for a while. All the dust and dirt and stuff on it, but we'll get this guy opened up. You see our new one in there, and go ahead and get it installed in our little box here and back in the truck. So this is this stuff wasn't super expensive, and it does come with a new O-ring for up here, I would assume up here. But like I said, we'll get this guy installed in our box, get it back in the truck, and then I'll catch y'all here probably in a few days when we start going in with the motor. We'll get our new compressor installed. I'm gonna go pick up an orifice tube. We'll also replace it while we're here, and we'll have a brand new AC system, other than the lines, which, you know, the lines aren't really a big deal. And I don't know, maybe a few other things. The sensors, there's a sensor here, and then there's another sensor that sits lower. Actually might still be in the truck. We've already replaced those. So those were replaced right after we got the truck. Okay, so it is in that other line, which is still on the AC compressor, which is in the bed of the truck. So we're not gonna mess with that at the moment. But those have been replaced already. And so has all this other stuff. But I pulled the orifice tube out one day, and it was full of metal. So I don't know if our compressor exploded. I don't know. Or if it was just stuff in there. But regardless, I got a complete kit, so we're replacing everything. I ain't gonna mess with it. So anyway, and I figured while this is out, if you've ever replaced an AC compressor on one of these trucks, in the truck, it sucks. This is not bad to get to. The bottom sensor sucks. This one's not terrible. The orifice tube's also not terrible. But I figure while we're here, spend a little more money, replace all of it. And like I said, I bought this stuff months ago. So it's just been kicking it here in the shop. But anyway, I'm gonna get this out of here. Go ahead and get all of this swapped into this box and get it installed back in the truck. All right, so it's about a week later, maybe not even a week later. But we got the motor back in the truck. Working on getting everything back together. So we got our lines off of our old AC compressor. Got them cleaned up with some brake clean. Need to get this a little more, but we got these pretty much cleaned up with some brake clean. So we're gonna get these put on our new compressor over there and go ahead and get this whole unit installed. So that'll be that. And then here in a little bit, when we start putting the front back on, we have a new AC condenser over there that we're also going to throw on, and we'll get this charged up, and hopefully when the truck's all running, we'll have AC again. So that'll be nice. But anyway, like I said, we're gonna get going here and see if we can get this thing buttoned up today, hopefully. Got a lot of work still to do. So let's get after it here and let's see what we can get done. All right, so we got our new AC compressor in. Everything is plugged in. We got this connection here back on, so it is good to go. Like I said, we're gonna keep moving forward with the truck. Like I said, here in a little bit, we will install our brand new condenser, and I need to go pick up some Freon, and we'll go ahead and get this thing all charged up. And well, that'll probably be a wrap for this one. So anyway, I'm gonna keep going here, and then here in a little bit, like I said, we'll throw on our new condenser, and that'll be that. All right, so we got our new condenser installed. I know it doesn't look new because it's dusty and it's, you know, whatever. We also put a few little nicks in it and some other stuff, but it is in. It is hooked up. New O-rings there. So next step will be, and I gotta be careful because y'all haven't seen this video yet. And yes, we did throw the battery charger on here. But next, we need to change the orifice to, I don't remember where that sucker's at. It might be in here. I don't remember. It's been a while. But we do need to change the orifice tube. So I'm not gonna film that. I do have a new one over here, but I'll replace it in the morning. Because like I said, I don't exactly remember where it's at the moment. I'll have to look. And it is 1 a.m. So I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. That's all y'all get. Stay tuned for the next couple videos because we did some powder coating. Well, y'all already seen that. We did some installing of all of our purple. We got the whole front end back together, other than, you know, grill, headlights, bumper, header panel, all that kind of thing. But I'll get the headlights wired up in the next one, and this thing is almost ready to drive. Now, we aren't going to recharge the AC in this video because I'm a genius and I hadn't ordered Freon yet. So we're gonna pick some up tomorrow or Monday, because tomorrow's Saturday and I really don't want to do nothing tomorrow. After we get the front end put back together. And it's kind of chilly, so we don't exactly need AC at the moment anyway. To be completely honest. So, with that being said, guys, that's going to be a wrap. Here's our new orifice tube, if anybody's wondering what those look like. But, like I said, we'll get that swapped in the morning. That way, our whole AC system will be complete and good to go. So, with that being said, guys, that is going to be a wrap for this one. Now, before the genius comments and in one of the comments and says, "Hey, you're wearing the same clothes every video." Um, I've filmed like 5 or 6 videos today. So that's that. It's been a wild 8-9 days at this point. Today's Friday. Last Friday, we were up till midnight powder coating stuff. Saturday, me and a buddy were putting wheel lights on Silver Bullet. As wild as that seems, we was out till 11:30 doing that. Sunday, we got this thing ready to put the motor in. Was out here until like 10 o'clock at night. Monday, we set the motor in it. Another long day. Tuesday, I didn't get in until like 4 in the morning. Wednesday, didn't get in until 2:30. Thursday, which was yesterday, we didn't get in until like midnight. And then, well, Friday. Well, it's not Friday no more. It's Saturday. It's currently 1 a.m., which is, well, like 1:15 now, which is wild. But like I said, it's been a wild over a week now. But we are making really good progress, so that is definitely a plus. But anyway, guys, that's going to be a wrap for this one. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.